The sets were so big, they were kind of joined up against each other. So we had to check with everybody. Was it okay to saw off half another set so we could get a lamp in to get a similar ray of light in with the same degree? Foundation challenges you to do your best. There is no one working on foundation that is kind of going, I'll get away with half-hearted lighting or makeup or anything.
Welcome to Trenton, the eye of the Empire. Please respect and enjoy the peace. I am Empire. Cleon the 17th.
Foundation challenges you to do your best. There is no one working on foundation that is kind of going, I'll get away with, half-hearted, lighting or makeup or anything. But that particular scene, it's funny, it takes place in this, and this is a good example of us trying to tell the story exactly as Owen, spoke about earlier. That's the exact same throne room that Owen lit in a very different way. And Owen lit it a beautiful way to tell his story, and I lit it in a different way to tell my story. And to my mind, that scene is kind of, it's so typical of a throne room, shafts of light coming in. But to my mind, the cloud dominion coming in, that's what it needed, It was these shaft-like rays coming in. And I remember, the sets were so big, they were kind of joined up against each other. So we had to check with everybody. Was it okay to saw off half another set so we could get a lamp in to get a similar ray of light in with the same degree? So, there was all that sort of fun going on. Yes, we can saw off a bit of that set because we won't see it again. That's the perfect example of collaboration of different departments. Like, we chose shots. We had shots storyboarded to accentuate the dresses. Her hood and the way the cloth moved. We auditioned those in the sense that, the costume designer wanted us to see the cloth, how it would move and all of that. So, those costumes were made for that specific moment. We, shot them previous to the scene just to make sure it was going to look good.
Allow me to present the doyen of the trade leagues, prime witness of the Cloud Cathedral, and most excellent queen, Sereth I, sole descendant of Dominion.
We knew Cloud Dominion, these new type of people, the introduction of this character, their makeup was very, very particular in terms of the dyes that they use. It's very, very special, and they come bearing gifts later in that scene of these particular dyes that are derived from plants and animals, etc. And they're given as gifts, and they're special, very, very special all over the universe. Anyway, so color was very, very important. And then also the dresses, the way they dressed, they were going to be swirling dresses. So I remember, climbing up in the gantries in Troy Studios in Limerick, where the throne room was, and finding these shots that had been done before, but we went, I think, a little higher to get this procession around. So again, it's like Owen was saying, we have prep to come and think about these things to make sure what we're doing is adding to the story being told.
So many titles, and yet you omit the most intriguing one, bride-to-be.
Provisional.
Indeed.